Brand new crossbow, Hyperghost 405 from our friends at Barnett. All right, so how do you get from here in the box to field ready? It's actually a lot easier than you would think. Barnett especially has a patented one bolt assembly. There's literally one bolt, but you got to do a bunch of things right to make sure that you get it out of the gates and ready to hunt. So first thing you want to do is take everything out, right? The bolts that come with it, the bow comes with 3 of the Hyperflight bolts, high performance bolts. You got the stock, and then you got the riser and bow. Here's your major pieces laid out. First thing I'm probably gonna do is get the packaging, hang tag stuff off of here. Then I'm gonna get the all the assembly stuff out and laid out. There's our rope cocking device. We'll set that aside with the quiver. That's scope cleaning. Those are some field points that go along with the bolts. And here's, honestly, all it takes to assemble Barnett crossbow. 1 Allen key, 1 bolt. Couldn't be a lot easier than that. So, take the body of the bow, put it up like this. So you're gonna take the riser and pay attention to this. The cables on your riser are here. That's your string. I'll set that back down and show you. The cables will go in this cable slide right here. The string will go on top of the shelf. So you get your bolt ready, set that bolt aside, don't lose the lock washer on it. Take the riser, bring it up here. Now you've got to feed the cables into the cable guard and keep the string on top of the shelf. So there's a little bit of, you gotta put a little pressure on it to get it in there. Line the whole thing up and it will slide right down onto the body, just like that. Make sure that's flush. Spin it around, make sure that's flush, and you're good. See how the cables are in that slide, the string's on top of the shelf. So you're good to go. Take your single bolt right here, drop it right in there, and tighten it down. That's it. That's an assembled bow. So I've got an assembled bow now. They've got a cool quiver and quiver mount. This push button release on the quiver mount, and this Hyperghost 405 comes with already installed Picatinny Rails, and it's multi-directional Picatinnies, which is pretty smart. You can put this thing on there sideways, quartering, straight down, whatever you want. Obviously you don't want to put the thing straight down because it's going to mess with you resting the bow. Putting it quartering, sometimes people like that because you can access the bolts a little bit quicker. I like to put mine lateral like that, directly, kind of so that the arrows are running parallel with the shelf. That way I can set the bow down flat like this without affecting the bolts. I'm not going to shoot with the quiver on most commonly, but you know, if you're spot and stalk hunting, you're going to have to. So I like to have that thing kind of out of the way. So I'd mount my quiver mount right here on the side. I'm right-handed, so you know, shooting like this, I would find it easier to take a bolt off the right side. So for me, that's where I'd mount it, but that's kind of up to you. Like I said, there's rails all the way around. You can mount it however you want. You can also mount other accessories on there. Any Picatinny rail accessory go on there. That's really the nuts and bolts of assembling this bow.